Hello aspirants, welcome to CPS Institute. Today we are going to talk about tenses, but before that the thing what I want to tell you is that our 16 students have appeared in HPLI mains and 2 have been selected also. Adarsh Sharma as ATI and Mohini as Inspector Audit. So for now also registration is open for IAS, HAS, Allied, SCC and Banking. You can enroll yourself by both offline and online mode. You can call on 98052 91450, or you can also log into www.careerpointshimla.com. And now we'll start with our topic, that is tenses. Tense is the form of verb that shows the time something happened or is going to happen. So we have types of tenses. We have three types of tenses: present tense, past tense, future tense. And in present tense we have four types. In all we have four types: present tense, simple present, simple perfect, simple continuous, present perfect continuous. Our second type is past tense, which is simple past, past continuous, past perfect continuous. And third is future tense, which is having simple future, future continuous, future perfect continuous. So first is simple present tense. Simple present tense is used to indicate the following, like regular events, habits, current situation, general truth or facts. We add s or es or ies to the base form when the subject is in the third person, like he, she, it, etc. Example: I smoke, Jaipur is a pink city. These are habit and general truth. And if you are using third subject like you, so you understand English, he, she understands English. The difference is you understand English and he, she understands English. There is s in he, she, with the he, she. So next is present perfect tense. It is used to express a past event that has present consequences. We use this as has, have plus past participle. Past participle means verb plus ed form, like second v2, second form of verb, that is v2. For example, he has coached the team since 2000. The robbers have stolen over 10 years. So there is has, and you have past participle is coached. Next is present continuous tense. It indicates that an action or condition is happening now, frequently, and may continue in the future also. We use this as is, am, are plus subject plus present participle, which is base form of verb plus ing. Like work is a verb and you can add ing for this, and this will be a present participle. Okay, for example, I'm writing articles on different topics. In this is, am, are plus subject is write and participle is ing. Present participle is write plus ing means writing. She is drinking coffee, they are playing football, etc. Third is present perfect continuous tense. It shows that something started in the past and is continuing at the present time also. We use this as has, have been plus present participle. Example: I have been writing articles since morning. There is have been plus writing is your present participle. So second example is you have been shopping in the market for 3 hours. Next type is simple past tense. Okay, so it is used to describe a completed activity that happened in the past. We use this as subject plus v2 plus object. v2 is your second form of verb. Example: work or worked. Example for go, there will be went. Like example: I went to the park and I played the basketball yesterday. Second is past perfect tense. It is used to talk about actions that were completed before some point in the past. We use it as had plus past participle again. Example: she had met him before the party. There is met is your past participle, and in second sentence your written is your past participle. I had written the email before he apologized. Past continuous tense. Now it refers to a continuing action or state that was happening at some point in the past. We use it as was verb plus ing. Means present participle also. Example: the sun was shining brightly. I was playing badminton. Playing is their participle, which is a present participle. Next is past perfect continuous tense. It is used to show that something started in the past and continued up until another time in the past. We use it as had plus been plus present participle. Example, she had been gossiping in the coffee shop. Had been plus gossiping. Gossiping is present participle. So you have to add, there is present participle for the past perfect continuous tense. Now we have the third main type, which is future tense. So we are having simple future tense. It is used to talk about things that haven't happened yet. We use it as subject plus will plus verb plus object. Example, she will complete her assignment. He will attend the meeting tomorrow. We use only verb, like first form of verb. Next is future perfect tense. It is used for actions that will be completed before some other point in the future. We use it as will have plus past participle, means your second form of verb. Example, mom will have cooked our favorite meal. Cooked is your past participle or your second form of verb also. Next type is future continuous tense. It indicates that something will occur in the future and continue for an expected length of time. We use it as subject plus will be plus present participle. For example, present participle is working or maybe raining. So example is, it will be raining all day tomorrow. She will be learning French. Next type is future perfect continuous tense. It is used to describe actions that will continue up until a point in the future. We use it as will plus have been plus present participle. Example, I will have been working for hours and she will have been eating pizza. Your working is present participle and you have to add will have been before the present participle. So this was all about tenses. Thank you.